Welcome back for another episode. Today we are going to be doing what I'm calling the triple trans treatment. So I'm going to be changing the transmission fluid I've got the 6-speed manual. I'm using the Motul Gear Oil 300 75W90. I've got a little transfer pump to refill it. And since we have to take the cross brace off underneath, I'm going to be upgrading that to the ECS tuning cross brace. And I'm going to be doing the trans mount insert upgrade. This one is by RKX. And I've got a fresh set of new OEM bolts to torque down. I'm using the blue car headlight for light underneath the car. This is all going on my 2014 Audi A4. I'll have links in the description for all the parts I'm going to be using today. So first step, as you saw in the last clip, is jack up your car. Since we're doing the transmission flush, you want to make sure it's on as level of surface as possible. I've got the quick jacks. Thankfully, I got those on sale at one point and they've been a godsend, but you can also use your regular jack and jack stands. Just make sure it's level. That's the biggest thing. All right, let's get started. All right, first step, remove the under tray. We've got Phillips head, we've got some Allen key, and we've got some slip joint. So I'm gonna pull these two out first. And then we'll get the three Phillips head screws out. And if you want to, you can take this whole second tray out, which I think I will because it'll make it easier for filming and less dirt falling in your eyes. So this one up here, these are T27. The ones on my sides, it's missing a couple, are T25s. That makes a little more room to get to this easier. And we've got 3 more bolts. 1, 2, 3. And these are T25. Set that aside. Now we've got access to our X brace and the drain plug, which is pretty much right underneath. And you could access that without removing this, but it's a lot easier if you do. It is right in there. So before we even take all this off, I'm going to make sure that I can get the drain plug out right there. If I can get the drain plug out, then we're all good to go. So this is a 10 HW10 hex key. Alright, I was able to loosen that, which means I can drain it and I have the ability to refill it. If you can't get that out, then I wouldn't recommend draining it because then you won't have a way to refill it. Alright, so now I'll take off the X brace. We got 2 triple squares and then some regular bolts here. So I got 4 18 millimeters. And 2 14 millimeter triple squares. And some wire clips. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Those are for the steering rack. So it's slightly important, don't break those. All right, old cross brace out. The 10mm hex key. That's your drain plug. We're gonna get these two triple squares out here for the trans mount insert. These are a 10mm. And two. I got those out. Those are a 10mm triple square. That just drops out pretty easy. Now we got everything removed, so we're ready to start reassembling. So I'm actually going to put the insert bin first, then I'm going to drain the trans. Alright, so we got the insert. I'll do a test fit, see how that goes. Oh, that slides right in there perfectly. That's awesome. So that just slides right in there. It actually kind of holds itself. It's pretty, fills up all those gaps easily. I got the brand new bolts. I'm going to start those by hand. I'll throw these in there. Oops. Got to go in, not out. Alright, and then these torque down to 15 foot-pounds. We got 15 foot-pounds. Already there. Already there. Awesome. So, one of the 3 tasks complete. Drain plug. So I'm going to break it loose and then bring in my drain pan. There we go. A little splashy. I didn't take the refill plug out enough, so not so splashy anymore. So I'll take a look at that while we're looking at it. It looks pretty dirty, but I don't see anything concerning. So we'll just let that drain for a little bit. Alright, so I did this change with the transmission warm. I did let it cool down probably 30 minutes before I actually drained it, because that fluid's pretty warm still, but warm fluid is thinner, which means it drains better. So I'm going to use, the label pulled off with the tape, the Motul Gear Oil 75W90 and a little fluid transfer pump, and I'll have links in the description for all of this. So this little fluid transfer pump is meant for normal quarts of oil, not the Motul one, so it actually fits inside the threaded area and stays pretty solid. So I'm slightly impressed with that. And I think we'll plug it off here. I'll clean this up. And there's no crush washer for this. It's got a tapered seal so it won't leak. And then these get torqued down to 22 foot-pounds. I'll leave this close by as we need to pump fluid in there until it drains out of the hole, and then we'll close it off. So I've got 6 quarts available. Look how much cleaner that is going in there. And I'm finding conflicting answers. One place says 3.8 liters or 3.8 quarts. Another one says it's just over 5 quarts. So I have 6 quarts available just in case either way. And if not, then I've got extra on hand to change in the future. This is where an electric pump would come in really handy, as we've only done a half quart. All right, one down. Two down. Three. All right, that's it. So it's a 3.8. Recap it. Torque it down to 22. All right. And that is transmission fluid changed, diff insert changed. We're going to clean up, and then we're going to put the new cross brace on. Alright, so I got my new bolts, I got my 2 triple squares, and then I got my 4 new hex bolts. I'm going to open these up, get some easier access. I'm going to lift it up, hold it by hand, and it fits in there nicely. Get a couple of these in by hand. All right, and then the rest of them. So I'm going to get them all in there like finger tight and then torque them down. So the two triple squares, you need to tighten to 66 foot-pounds and then 90 degrees. All right. One. Two. And these are 60 degrees, 66 foot-pounds, and 135 degrees. And my fancy torque wrench broke. So we'll go get the old school one. All right, old school torque wrench to 66 foot-pounds. All right, now 135 degree rotation. All right, so we got 90 plus another 45. All right. And the 45. And 90. All right. All torqued with new bolts. Then he gave us fancy new screws to put in that shield. So reinstall, we'll put in the front dust shield and the rear dust shield, and we're all done. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more content. This concludes the triple trans treatment. Hope you enjoyed.